Imagine your brain is a massive, world-class symphony orchestra. In most brains, what we call neurotypical brains, the instruments take turns playing. The flutes pipe up, the brass sections wait, and the music flows smoothly. But in an autistic brain, the orchestra plays a bit differently. It's like every single musician decided to turn their amplifier up to 11, all at the exact same time. This isn't a glitch, it's just different wiring. In fact, neuroimaging shows that an autistic brain often has more neural connections than average. When a baby is growing, the brain naturally goes through a process called synaptic pruning, kind of like a gardener trimming back bushes so the path stays clear. In autism, the brain keeps more of those branches. The result? A hyper-connected brain that notices everything. So, what sets this unique wiring in motion? The short answer is a mix of genetics and environment. First, genetics play a massive role. Autism is highly heritable. Scientists have found hundreds of tiny changes in genes that influence how brain cells talk to each other. If you have an autistic relative, your chances of being autistic are much higher. Second, there are prenatal environmental factors. Things like advanced parental age, extreme premature birth, or certain health conditions during pregnancy can tilt the scales. But let's be 100% clear about what doesn't cause it. Autism is not caused by bad parenting, and it is absolutely not caused by vaccines. Decades of massive global studies have thoroughly debunked that myth. Autistic people are simply born with a brain that absorbs the world in high definition. While this intense wiring can make sensory things like loud rooms or itchy clothes overwhelming, it also brings incredible strengths like deep focus, vivid memory, and unique problem-solving skills. It's not a broken brain. It's just a different kind of masterpiece. If you enjoyed this animation, hit that subscribe button and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.